Welcome back once again to another Sandwich Saturday. We're going to make a nice chicken baguette. So I've got here a chicken breast cut nice and thin, and simply we're going to add to that right now a little bit of celery salt, garlic powder and cumin powder. There's like half a teaspoon right there. So we're just going to get that in there, hence the glove. And then we're going to get to the cooker and we're just going to fry this off just for a few minutes, and then we can get ready to make our lovely sandwich. Okay, so I've got a pan here, a little bit of olive oil in there, and then what we're going to do is we're going to just get our chicken in, and it's only going to take like 4 minutes or so like that, because it's cut nice and thin. And if you wanted, you could be changing the spices, you know, put some chili powder in there, chili flakes, some oregano, some thyme. Go wherever you want with it. I've just gone with those three. So yeah, just like I say, 4 minutes or so, because like I say, really nice and thin. It'll cook really quickly, and then we're ready for the next step. Okay, so our chicken's done there. It's just nice and hot. A little bit of chopped onion, some tomatoes, some cheese. I'm using like an Emmentaler slice. You could be using grated cheddar, mozzarella, go where you want. And then our baguette. So got that. Opened it right out like that. Make sure that it fits into your sandwich toaster or press. That's it. Let's get it together. Very simple. Okay, let's get moving. So, cheese. 2 slices there. Chicken down one side. Can't wait to eat this. Looks amazing already. A little bit of chopped red onion. Could be putting some green onions or spring onions in this if you wanted. If you wanted to be a bit more mild. Some sliced tomatoes. A little bit of black pepper. This is actually not black pepper, it's a mix of black and white peppercorns, but yeah, black pepper would be fine. And then we're going to go a bit more cheese on there. We're going to fold these over. We're going to get these into our sandwich maker or hot press or press grill, whatever you call it, just for like 4 minutes, high heat, get a bit of heat through them. They're going to be delicious. Tuck that in there as much as you can. Give it a little press down. And then ready for our machine. I'll see you when they come out. I'm feeling good about these ones. So yeah, just a little few minutes in there just to kind of get that cheese melted away. They're going to be absolutely delicious. Let's see if we can get our knife through one here. That baguette's really nice and crunchy now. Yeah, that cheese is delicious. Let's have a little go on that. Let me try. It's still really piping hot. Oh man. Really good. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. I can hardly speak. See you later.